So guys, a new video and many new pictures of Yağmur Yüksel have been shared on social media. Once when she attended the big ceremony, fans are so much emotional at the same time. They are so much excited to see the beautiful Yağmur in a ceremony, and everyone got excited. Yağmur was also very happy to see the beautiful love of the fans. On the other hand, Baris Baktas has also shared a new pictures on social media, and Baris had a new hairstyle. The new hairstyle suits Baris very well. So Baris' new hairstyle is very beautiful.